division. Introducing the people officiating this match. First referee, Yul Benosa, international referee. Our second referee, Fernando Velarde, national referee. And now introducing the players. First, for the Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles. Number 2, Alyssa Valdez. Number 12, Jen Ferrer. Number 5, May Tajima. Number 15, Phil Cainglet. Team captain, number 6, Z. Herbacio. Number 3, Gretchen Hall. Lady Eagles libero, number 13, Denden Lazaro. And their head coach, the ever-smiling Roger Gloriet. And now, introducing the FEU Lady Tamaraw. Team captain, number 12, Giselle C. Number 9, Ina Palma. Number 5, Rosemary Vargas. Number 2, Majorie Rojas. Number 15, Gwyneth Ulalio. Number 4, Maritoni Basas. And their libero, number 3, Charlene Giliego. Head coach of the Lady Tamaraws, the ever-young Ness Pamilar. FEU's libero, number 1.
Ateneo and FEU. Mostly for Ateneo, you can see a very familiar name for all of us.
Obviously, Herbacio, yung ating Magic 5. Hope, Ferrer, Cainglet. Pero bago dito, of course, Valdez is there. Tajima, a new face for Ateneo, Noreen. But on the other side, ito, mas familiar pa to. Giselle C, of course, is there. Vargas, Yulalio. And ito yung pinag-uusapan namin ni Coach Ness Palma. And you have Basas and Rojas for FEU.
Well, basically a very young squad for Coach Ness and the FEU Tamaraws. And you know, last year, FEU has never beaten Ateneo. So today, will it be a payback time? Payback time for FEU.
Siyempre, new season, di ba? 76 na. 74th season. New page.
That's right. And FEU draws first blood in this match with a block. And Giselle C serving now for FEU. Oh, that goes into the net. Early, what's that? Jitters for Giselle?
Mukhang ganun nga, partner.
But you know, we were talking about it earlier, this Ateneo squad, you know, we've literally seen them grow up and mature, you know, into be premier players for this squad.
Batch niya, most of them, and Ateneo getting a block.
That's right, we'd like to turn you over to the birthday girl, Selena Dagdag. What do you have for us?
Thank you very much, Noreen and Mosey. Well, Team Captain Z Herbacio wants to make sure that the team earns a good reputation and that they also earn the impression of becoming the team to beat. Nang tinanong ko si Z kung gaano nga ba kagusto ng Lady Eagles ang maging champions this season 75, Z said on a scale of 1 to 10, siguradong 10 na yan sapagkat last season, ang lapit-lapit na namin. Z also believes there are a couple of ways to accomplish these goals, two of which are to learn from their mistakes and to improve their reception right from the service. That's all for now, Noreen and Mosey.
Well, thanks, Selena. You know, actually, that's right, though. See Herbacio, we know that she's a fighter. From the start, she was a fighter, she is a fighter, and from a scale of 1 to 10, I'm sure even 11, 12, that's how much they want to win.
Oo, nandun eh. Like last year, sabi nga nila, the only missing thing was yung experience nila. Yung iba kasing finals experience which LaSalle really have.
Oh, yeah.
For the longest time. So, yun, ngayon, meron na silang baon going into the season.
Because they've been there.
Yes, that's right. So now they have to capitalize on that.
That's right. And play resumes. Ferrer to Valdez. Eulalio. That's a mixed cue between Giselle C and Eulalio. That's not that doesn't happen all the time. Well, we'd like to turn you over now to Judy Sarrell of FPU. Hi, Judy.
After the 4th place finish last season, an improved Lady Tamaraws are now ready for season 75. Coach Nes Pamilar told me that the Lady Tams have been practicing and competing off-season, making them a stronger team now. So far, all we can see is a squad who is ready to bounce back and has the goal of winning and getting better each and every game. On the other hand, last season's best setter Giselle C highlighted how important this game is for the Lady Tams. According to her, they just want to start this season on a winning note. Sabi niya, ipapakita namin kung ano na kami ngayon. Babawi kami at papatunayang kaya naming makuha ang 30th championship for FEU. Noreen and Mosey?
Yes, Judy, Mosey. 30. Well said. Give it a 40, Judy, because you can actually visualize Coach Nes saying those words.
Yes, that's right. And yun ang gunning for their 30th, imagine.
Wow.
It's just championship history for FEU.
I wonder how many Coach Nes has in those 29.
Tanangin natin. Oh, that goes long for Vargas.
Yeah, but a good start though for FEU. Let's be honest, there are a lot of talk that Ateneo actually coming to this match has the upper hand, given they were in the finals actually last year. But FEU, as Judy was saying, and as Coach Nes told her, they're here. They want to show us who they really are. And they're ahead 6-4. We can see there a good set, and Eulalio picking up where she left off earlier with a quick kill. Now she hit it in the open area.
Well, obviously, the biggest asset for FEU is Giselle C, their setter. On the other side naman, of course, Jem Ferrer, another very good setter. Very smart one.
That's right. And you hardly see Jem Ferrer actually get impatient. Very rare. Free ball to Ateneo. Gretchen Ho dug up. Lazaro was there. Ferrer to Eliza.
Valdez down the line.
Yes. On the line. Look at this open hit on Eliza Valdez.
The set was actually far from the net, but that's how good Eliza Valdez is. Well, now 5 serving 6. We have C. Hervasio. Again, another graduating player of Ateneo. C again to Eulalio, but Gretchen Ho was there.
Reading that well. Gretchen Ho on a single block.
But Gretchen Ho and Winnie Eulalio, they've played against each other so many times. That was really well anticipated by Gretchen Ho. Stat 1, stat 2 lang naman yan between the two players.
That's right.
Oh, good serve.
Eliza Valdez is just there waiting for that gift as she takes that point.
That's right, Agnog with a over-receive or an over-reception there. And Ateneo now takes the lead, 7-6. Hervasio is actually, before, we know her for her jump serve, but now she's very consistent, no?
Oh, yes. Through the years, we've seen her practice that. Diba? Tsaka, sometimes, naisip ka namin, crucial moment, but still, she will go for it.
All right, so get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.